say I won't complain, no. The thing be say, we dey see pepper for your house, oh. We dey see pepper, Madam Landlord, oh. Madam, oh. Mrs. Landlady.
There's someone in here. Ma! Hey! My God has caught you today. Eh? Ma, I'm very sorry. You have defied everything. Ma, don't urinate in my bathroom. I'm sorry, I was very pressed. Even pregnant woman's urine that sings, eh? Okay. No problem. I was very pressed, ma. I'm sorry. If you were so pressed, why didn't you run outside the gate and urinate in the public gutter? Eh? What? So your people urinate in the bathroom? You have people urinating in the bathroom. No. Don't worry. You will lick the whole urine today with your tongue. Oh, okay, ma. Just open the door. I will wash it, please. I'm sorry. You are going to stay inside there until your husband comes back and pays the penalty. Please, landlady. Pardon her, please. Pity her. Consider her condition. She's a pregnant woman. Why is Zobo? On which side are you? This minute you have come to report to me that she's urinating in my toilet. The next minute, you are begging on her behalf. Eh? Thank you for your information. Go and say your Zobo is outside there. People will steal it. Go there. Leave this one for me. Oh, my mouth to shut up. You stay there until your husband comes.
But not everybody will talk because if they mouth they sharp. Me say they right, na lie. You don't reach here?
Ejikonya. I dey reach here. Nowhere where my business don't they carry me go.
Now wow. Una dey work out.
Ejikonya. Landlady, lock up your wife for toilet.
Which my wife? Which landlady? For which toilet?
You see there here they ask question. I don't know whether he don't release them. As of the time I dey, he still there toilet.
My own wife. My own wife. I beg, if I come, I'll give you 10 naira.
Okay, I tell you my business today. My natural sobo.
Huh? What do you know the go again?
I know the go make up come down.
Almost, you know the girlfriend.
Adam Latrine! Adam Latrine! Hey! She make a god! Adam! Adam Latrine! Adam! Adam! Where you there? Here! Papa too! Look at what you do here now! You confused! Go for boss! Bring spanner or jack! Anything when you say bring him! Bring an Anna back! Adam! Latrine! Hey! Oh! I got to give my landlady. You have to give man on what man on here. It's not better for you! Thank you. Give me now, they say we have the person you won't kill. Okay. Give me can break this thing.
Won't kill her.
Hey! What are you doing? You want to break my door? Eh? Oh, you want to commit more crime, eh?
Which crime?
You want your penalty to increase?
Make it increase!
This is break and entry, oh! This is break and entry!
You don't know what break and entry! You know what you commit?
Commit where?
Adam, this is what you do. You know past break and entry.
See what you do.
You know how many people you kill?
See what you do.
What the election you kill, the pikin wey inside by belly, you don't kill them.
Is she dead?
Well, we never even know whether they're twins.
Is she dead? But she's still alive now.
Eh.
Hold this.
Okay.
No, let her go! Go, let her go!
She can't try again.
You have to break my
She can't try to.
She
can't try to.
I go speak for your face! Let her go!
Let her go!
Nonsense! Now today I go show you say I get power! And the grace.
Pick anything pickable.
Anything!
No waste time.
Yeah, come out! Come out!
Pick and lock up. Pick and lock up.
Nonsense!
Don't waste time.
Show now cells still dey empty. I'll be people there inside. I have see her. Go on, take her.
Okay. Now me, you go bring recruits, make you come arrest me. Eh? Police of your level. I did say you should have gone to bring the area commander himself.
She thinks that we dey play.
Madam, you are under arrest for attempted murder of a pregnant woman.
Thank you.
Good.
Is that what you call it?
Good.
Is that what you call it?
Who did murder? I will advise you to remain silent, for whatever you say will be used against you in the court of law.
Arrest somebody, they quote Bible.
Opera, move her.
Please,
move her,
madam.
Move her.
Eh? Hold on, wait.
Action, you dey quote, you dey craze.
Carry
Let's go. Make you not be saying a mistake I do. I beg.
Madam.
I know how much when I pay for
Hey,
that
don't touch me, don't touch me.
Make me follow.
Don't touch me now.
They come.
Landlady, what's happened?
You know they see? You know they see?
I have visitors, let me see them off. I want to escort them a little. If I don't come back in time, tell my daughter to come and see me at the area command. The DPO sent me for lunch.
Not the only lunch. Make you bring morning, afternoon, night food. Yeah.
If you get sense, you know go dey answer what you happen. You see police, the one who argue for this
I
case.
beg you,
want
make una leave am. I beg you. What did I do now?
Make we leave her.
I do hear anything.
You see action, you dey ask what happen. What happen?
Go tell him daughter. Make them prepare food for 3 months.
Hey!
Food for 3 months. You hear am? If they come back for this place, you be landed.
Hey.
And that side you go be landed. No one. Doctor, I don't know what you dey talk. I don't understand you at all. Why if you say when it reach my turn, things go change? If na me now, I go say bring deposit before you take water. Bring deposit before you take medicine. Bring deposit before they treat your wife. Now we don't land, money don't land. Small thing now, this woman go come here. You go open your mouth, tell her say no problem. Then you go carry the money go. Tell her say problem dey. So that you go bring money. Tell her say we go buy blood, we go buy medicine, we go buy food. Different type of food wey dey give blood for body or everything. No be all those small food wey dey take small money.
Mr. Jinkonya, what you are saying is against my profession. Your wife was brought here unconscious, but now she's alright.
Wife na my own. Na me get wife, na me go talk when e dey alright. I say my wife never dey alright, make you keep am. So that you go make small money, wetin you dey talk? Small thing now, na go carry biro dey write those things wey una go write finish. Na only una fit read am, nobody else fit read.
My friend, I'm the medical expert in charge. I've checked your wife and she's alright. You understand?
Yes. You be medical expert. Me be wife expert. Na me know wetin dey happen to my wife. Na me know wetin I want from my wife.
Mr. Jinkonya, your wife is alright. Please, I have other things to do.
DPO! Make we go back to your office. Because this place wey una bring me here, I no trust am. As far as I concern, this case must go to court.
My brother, calm down. You see, as far as I'm concerned, there's no need forwarding this case to court. Your landlady here has agreed to take every necessary deal concerning your wife's treatment.
God bless you. I thank you very much. But you see, you must write am down. If you sabi this woman, you no go put her for counter. Neither say direct, you go through am.
Since you know me, why are you living in my house?
Why I no go live? Maybe house.
Madam, it's okay. As far as I'm concerned, you are going to write this case down and sign. Okay?
Thank you. You must write am down. Sign am. Write am, sign am. And you go use biro. Because this woman, in biro fit touch your pencil.
Okay, don't worry. I'll make sure that is done.
Thank you. You must tell am. I will not go tell her.
I see what thing will happen now. As we don't reach here, no problem. Just go knock.
Me will go knock.
Now.
Why?
Knock now. So when you knock, me I will knock.
Not be you be her tenant. You know as this woman they behave. If I go to knock and begin ask whether they live for this house, just knock.
Nothing dey inside. Just knock. When you knock, the woman come out. Me I explain everything to her.
Go knock. Bring her out first. You go see what I will do for you today.
No be my advocate. Not my solid and advocate. Bring her
out. Everything you go dey talk with you.
Nothing make you help. You know fit help. I'm mouth you go dey shout.
You go see my action for here now. Just make sure say she come outside.
Make her knock now.
Yes.
Yeah.
She know the house.
She fit there.
Okay. Good evening.
Good evening. What do you want? No problem. We just come now. Waiting doctor tell us now we come talk.
Yes.
He say we bring minokwa, very hot one, very hot minokwa, and bring this thing.
This hot drink where they give blood.
Which one?
Where they mix egg for inside. Egovin.
God go bless you. Egovin. Bring big loaf of bread.
Yes.
This one will be like luxurious boss. Those big ones. Bring over tea, big one, big over tea. Then powder the milk. Powder milk, Abi?
Yes.
Powder milk.
You don't go tell us everything. Say 2 for everything.
The master
Thank you. Will you shut up?
Which one? Wait, I'm not going to tell what the doctor talk.
No.
What is your business?
Na me dey talk for na my solid and advocate. Na him dey carry my case. Na him.
What is my business with all these things people are saying?
The business.
No be you talk say anything wey come out for the treatment say na you go pay. Na you talk am.
That one na step 2. You don't jump step 1. Step 1 be say you carry somebody wife wey get belle. You don't know whether na twins dey inside that belle. You carry am go lock am for inside toilet. You know the disease. You want to kill them.
Na true.
You want to kill them.
Bros.
We never come out to we dey here o.
You too dey shout. I don't know wetin dey worry you. Your voice too dey go up. Okay, me I tell her say
you dey try to talk.
What can you tell? I tell her say 1 1. You want talk 2 2? Make her talk 2.
No be if I talk 2 she go price and come to 1.
Okay, she don price am now. She don go inside. Even 1 we no get. Instead of even na beg go beg am. He bring the thing we carry am. No be so. You go dey talk yeah. Your voice na you sabi pass now. Na you sabi.
No problem. Na me I beg am. Madam landlady. Madam, abeg no vex say we come disturb you. That thing wey we talk na lie. No, we no see don.
How you go talk like this? What did you talk?
Why you go dey blame me?
You want to say na why we dey lie?
Yes.
Hey! Come out here! What did they worry you?
Don't talk, oh. If you talk, I will arrest you and tell the police how you been stealing fowl from this compound.
No, which police station you go bring the police?
Okay,
You know that place don't record you.
You see,
Anything you commit.
Jinkonyi, this one cannot pay even half of the money. House rent has increased to 24,000 naira.
Hey! From
5,000. You can't even pay 2,500.
Hey!
Half of 5,000. So you keep quiet.
Fear God. This month quarter night they increase house rent. Fear God.
So check it for between now and the end of the month whether you can still continue to live in this compound. If you cannot, after eating the bread and the tea, you look for somewhere where you will stay and your wife will have a baby. Well, meanwhile, I have settled the doctor. I paid this, so the doctor says she's going to be discharged tomorrow morning.
Madam, come.
See, police say you go bring this thing again tomorrow.
Madam, come now, we'll discuss this thing. See what you cost now.
Everything you go.
No, you bring this time. No, you bring this thing. No be talk say make we tell am make we dey give am bill. No be you. See wetin you cost now. I swear.
You no eat am.
If I eat am nko, no be you make us begin. If I give you anything, all the money wey we dey get for this thing now, na we go dey give am take pay house rent. You go better.
Hey, Nne, are you back? Sorry, we thank God.
You're done, girl.
Seriously, just keep quiet. Do you hear me? So in your head is only flying objects in the night that are called witches? We live with witches. So I think you should really stop using the Lord's name in vain.
Thank you.
And then what did that one mean? I be Chris the one.
Shut up! You know what I'm saying that my wife is talk to like that? Don't let me knock your head, though.
No, she thinks say we don't know.
You the Chris?
No, she thinks say we not hear all the things when they talk.
Pretender.
Even your name self, the police station, the rest. Without put on there. What do they waste money for your head for? Eh? This thing where you they miss here. Carry poison they give people. Today you go show us the NAFDAC number. Hey, I swear.
That one not be my business. You not even consign me.
Very soon.
Why they do? This my zobo. My papa do it.
Yes.
My mama do it. Even my mama do it.
Thank you.
And I my day.
And your pikin go do an inside cell. Better.
They will come meet up.
They'll come meet you for prison. Come. Okay. Who put this nonsense thing for my house? So? Who tied this nonsense? In short, I go. No.
I think that's
You don't know this kind of
against the law.
Chilo, this is not juju. They say law. Wait till be law. This man, you don't turn this fight to another level.
Bros, make we come on this thing.
No touch on me. This is when they time for shrine.
I'm really tired. I think we should just go to my dad. Me, I have tried and I'm really tired of all this. Let's just go and talk to him. By now, I know my dad. By now, his anger is gone.
Okay, that one go fall my hand. I no go fit do one.
Okay, so now go to live there, Abi? Abi Ada?
I'm tired.
That's so that you people will not go and be living with your daddy, Abi? If you try him,
Are they crazy?
you know Azama that did this start?
Are they crazy?
From hey Jim, where are you? Please wash my car tomorrow. Hey Jim, where are you? Cut the flower. Before you know it, they don't start the gate man put you there.
No worry, the first day I go eat for table, the next day na for ground.
Okay.
I did
Not
talk that one
kind
sef.
of, I know your condition,
No
but
talk
this is
that
my
one.
friend. For what?
Bros.
Go find pastor. If not pastor, we go bring.
Mokidi, what you dey do here? How you leave my boss, leave my wife for boss, come here, come stay?
Every time when me and you dey work, you go pack bus. If you no enter bank, you go enter fast food. What did they go do there? Today, I wan know.
Bros, make you no dey behave like mugu at all. Make I tell you, all these people wey you see dey enter bank, dey enter fast food, dey enter Mr. Big, Mr. Small. You think say they dey go bank? No be everybody wey enter bank dey go bank go put money.
They go pray.
For where? When you enter, look, shit dey catch you. You just see their this thing, piam, you enter, go shit am, come out.
Shit free.
Free of charge. Bros.
You sure?
Yeah.
If not, if say make dem no go search me, if they don't see money for my pocket, they will say maybe I bin wan come steal their meat pie. I for don enter now.
Who dey search you? Anybody wey dey go bank, then they respect am. Once you enter bank, piam, they go say you carry money. You come pose.
Pose.
You pose, bam.
You say you dey wait for your turn.
Piam. People no look like piam. You enter. Go to
when you
the
sit
way
and
the
finish.
face jam.
Sit and finish.
Come out again. Do
Come
face
out.
like person wey no dey shit.
Rearrange.
Look. Nobody look you. You come out.
Make dem no go here.
Say my wife still dey. You go dey learn something from me. They learn. No dey do like mugu. No dey do like
Na so it's
mugu.
good.
They learn from me. What shit? What shit? Catch you stop motor. Inside that computer.
If you get to a place that is lonely, let me know. I want to use myself.
You for talk and sense now. Anyway, e never too late. I go stop where I do.
You no gree enter gear too.
Wetin dey that too?
Which kind of family business is this now? We no go work.
You dey craze? Wetin be that? You no hear say she wan easy herself. Abeg make we dey go. Stay here wait till make we go.
Are we going inside there?
No. Okay, you think say na everybody wey go inside there na food dey go buy abi na snack? Some of them na toilet they go.
Don't say never, don't say lie. Anything can happen tomorrow. Man no be God, oh. Don't say never, don't say lie. Anything can happen tomorrow. We don't know who God go bless, oh. Don't say never, don't say lie. Don't say never, don't say lie. Don't say never, don't say lie. Anything can happen tomorrow. Man no be God, oh. Don't say never, don't say lie. Anything can happen tomorrow. We don't know who God go bless, oh. Don't say never, don't say lie. Don't say never, don't say lie.
Are you going to order something?
That wait. Make you take style, stand up, man. This thing, go do it. You say order.
Not an embarrassment.
Embarrassment. See person who has to try help. They there. When somebody come enter now, here you go. Take. Nonsense. Person who try to help on I know now.
Change. We are saying make you wear our own. Change to what? Pull your shirt, make. Hey. I need to go for you. Yeah. You wear my own. Put on my own, Mr. Man. It was my dad for you. Hurry up now. Be fast, Mr. Man. Go this side. Watch him out. They run, they go.
Mrs. Landlady, don't be say I won't complain, no. The thing be say, we dey see pepper for your house, we dey see pepper, Madam Landlord, Mrs. Landlady, no vex say I talk my mind, you. The thing be say, wahala full for your house, Madam Landlord, Mrs. Landlady, don't be say I won't complain, no. The thing be say, we dey see pepper for your house, we dey see pepper, Madam Landlord, Madam, Mrs. Landlady, no vex say I talk my mind, you. The thing be say, wahala full for your house, Madam, this your house so fine. The wahala be say, now one toilet you get though. No matter how the latrine hook you, you must join the line, oh. For the bathroom, not the same things. Madam, this your house is full of suppression, yes. Oppression, yes. Inflation, yes. Discrimination, yes. If to say we get money,
They come.
Enter this car now! Just enter this car and be driving!
What's up?
Enter! Don't be driving!
Hey!
Oh my God!
What now?
Lock this door! Lock this door!
Adam, hey, I don't know what you think say we will take all this money do. For me, I will say make we take small, carry the rest, give police.
Police. This money is our own. It's our money.
This one.
Yes.
See, make I tell you, people who get this money go catch us. Oh. You don't say if we change this money, we'll take and buy 40 bus. When we buy 40 bus, we put them for road. But for me, I think say 2 bus or 3 bus, they enough for me.
You need to have foresight. So you think God come down from heaven to help? But this is the way God will help you. Just give us manna from heaven.
We never get 2 sides, we dey go 4 sides. We'll get to 1 side itself, do them. No, you talk 4 sides. See, make I tell you, this money now, you say na manna from heaven. Now our own manna be this.
Yes.
From heaven.
So what I expect you to ask is, how do we go about this transportation business? So you think you alone cannot handle the whole transportation of the state? Who says that? You can.
I go think of myself.
So I am thinking, trying to put the business plan together in my head.
Now you go use the money, not me go use the money. You can make a think and plan am.
When the plan comes together in my head, I will tell you, so we implement it. This is our ticket out of the slums. Because me, after this, I'm not going back to the slums.
Where be slum?
So here, we have to think, strategize, plan and invest this money well.
Who go plan am very well?
No, I'm thinking it.
No think am. No think am.
I am arranging the business in my head. Don't worry.
No, now you go use the money, no be me go. Why you go arrange am for your head? If you arrange am for your head, that means say this money don't spoil. Let me make a plan am very well with my own self.
Is that where you're going now?
I know they go anywhere now. Here I dey.
Don't. Let me think. We have to properly invest this.
Okay.
Properly.
Okay.
Hi. Ah! Fuck up. Which kind of thing what I do now? Guy, why go dey fuck up like this now?
Oga, forget that. I know they carry this. No, forget it. When I go market, buy everything with it. Pay for it, you know, we pay. Don't put them there because they don't go pay.
Mbede! Mbede! One chance to go! Mbede!
Ross.
Mbede! One chance to go!
Ross. Wait. Ross, please, make you help me buy a handkerchief. Which kind of message you that? I beg you. Just help me. I don't know if you send me this kind of message. What do you have? No verse. I don't know what to send me. No verse. Just help me buy. Thank you.
Mbede, one chance to go!
Hey, Anki! How did you get this shirt? I said, how did you get this shirt?
This is the very last time I'm asking you this. Where did you say you got the shirt?
Not buy them. How did you buy them? From who you buy them? You don't talk.
Waiting caught me that one now.
Okay.
I said don't put your shirt!
Huh?
Put your shirt.
Put your shirt. No change. Put your shirt, make you wear my own. Change to waiting.
Put your shirt, make...
Hey. I know they go for you. Oh, yeah. They wear my own. Let me give me that arm rubber. Hey, give me that man when you go threaten me. Go give me this shirt. Oh, I'm gonna you. Not you. I don't know whether I go rob. I should have robbed because you can't catch me. You look like I want my shirt. You tell me how they do conductor for my friend. And you come here. This is your friend where you calling him now. How can I find him? I don't know. I say, how can I find this your friend where you just calling him now? You don't go talk. No opportunity now you get today. You dey tell me say you no get him phone number. You no know his house. You don't know anything about him. It's me from motor park. See, I'll tell you something. This your friend now where you call him name. He holds something wey belong to me. You dey hear me so? And if you carry me go meet am where him dey, you don't become millionaire. You won't trick me. I go trick you. Mr. Man, I am telling you the truth. Make you just carry me go meet this man, you don't become millionaire. You go give me 1 million. I go give you more than 1 million now. What will be 1 million? Not beside knowing house like that. But if you say you go give me that way you talk, I'll carry you go in your house. Yeah. No, you dey talk well. Oh yeah. As you don't agree, make you carry me go meet him. Just relax. Now you be my friend. Me and you now one. But if you try run or escape, you see this your big head, I go comot am from your head. Now him be say you no go get your body no go fit get head again. You hear me so? Oh, yeah, smile for me. Come on, smile well.
Nah, but still.
No, leave her. Now our friend they be now, leave her. They smile. Hey James, come here. Why in log? Why be that? Hey James. Where this guy go? Hey, James!
Hey! Why are you shouting here?
No, not be shouting. This man, my friend. So he say he wants to see a James. Now I call and come, make it come know in house. Oga, our landlady, greet her.
Good evening, mother.
You're welcome. It's only that I'm setting my eyes on this one.
You get another place where you see him?
You get one place where in the drink. I don't know whether I go there. No, let's go check him.
Oh yeah, come here with you go. Madam.
Let me know when you find him, eh?
Come here with you go.
I'm also looking for him.
No wahala, madam. Come here with you go.
Tell them not to come here and shout again, oh. I don't know who is a James. Ejinkonye is the one that is living in my house. Ejinkonye. Foolish boy. I've been a man, sir.
Good one. Hey, Adam. My boy. How you doing? Thank you. Thank you.
I told you, you really need to upgrade. This is rundown on the upgrade thing we're talking about. It's a process, so you have to help me out here. Imagine if someone walked in here and you're drinking palm wine instead of red wine. That's serious downgrade. You have to go with the flow. It's all about the attitude, okay? Upgrading is attitude.
Palm wine, a downgrade. Make I tell you, you don't understand. So you won't kill me.
This is not working.
You never say palm wine now fresh. After they take a fresh palm, fresh thing, so that I go take many years for this our land. Now you dey tell me say no good. Make I tell you, you know my papa brother, no you both kill him.
How?
It because he sees that he got the money, they begin buy maggi, tomato, what be this thing? Tomato tin tomato. No be ordinary fresh tomato. No be fresh tomato. Plus a palmy, this oyibo palmy, what they call red wine. Na poison. Huh? All those things wey they put for tin, they put for packet, all of them na poison. E go make you reduce your age, you go die young. My papa wey born me na fresh palmy, yam, red oil. E dey mix and chop am 145 years.
Really?
I swear.
By virtue of eating yam and...
No, fresh food. Direct from garden.
Okay, fine. I will not argue that point with you. We're all entitled to our opinion.
Thank you. Thank you.
But talking about downgrade and upgrade, I have written the speech we talked about. So when you're done with this, you come in, peruse through, get in touch with the line so that when you are giving the speech, it comes out real, like this is your language.
Peru! If you say you sabi watch match, you know that when they play World Cup.
I mean, go through the speech. Understand it, so when you say it, it's not like you're repeating my words.
It is in that country where they play for World Cup, where they call Peru.
I'm talking about your speech.
When you speak grammar, they reduce them for me. That's why they vex for you every time. Me and you no go the same school. You hear them? When you speak and they break them down, they cut them, they knock them for my own language. They speak Peru. When they concern Ambro and grammar. When they concern plane and overhead bridge. When they concern vulture and baba. The people who are they talk to understand my language is simple.
I thought the whole point is, it's your time. As the new chairman, they should understand the way you want to lead them. The whole hallmark of a leader is you lead, good example, and the follow. It doesn't matter whatever speech they give.
What is the hallmark?
Whatever language you start with. they don't have choice but to keep up with you.
Okay.
It's as simple.
Thank you. It's
simple.
When you call, you tell us.
Which is not that long. I made it kind of, you know. It's really.
Thank you. Really. Now we're in the top though. Bros, go bring the cup inside and make your mama take.
Don't speak pidgin to my son.
Why?
Daddy wants cup. Go and get daddy cup.
Come. Adam.
You see? That's exactly how I want him to grow.
Now my pikin in the top.
Thank you.
Make I not speak my grandma for now.
Don't.
Why?
It is the prayer of every parent for your child to be better than you are.
Thank you! My pikin go dey better than me. You hear am?
We agree on that.
Aburo language now take get the money. My pikin go sabi Aburo language pass me.
Thank God he is not here. I'm serious, do not speak pidgin. Fine and forbid my son. You see that? He heard.
Okay.
Tell him thank you.
See, make I tell you.
Daddy says thank you.
Make I tell you. Leave my pikin. Bring am.
Working with you. I forbid you to speak that jargon to my son. I'm serious.
Me dey talk jargon.
Yes. And please be done with this downgrading thing and come and look at the speech. Thank you.
More dey talk jargon. Okay. No problem.
What you know this stuff? Oh, you thought I was going to drink this with you? Say you're sorry. Jeez. Okay.
I'm sorry. Sir, I bring you cup, make you drink for me with me.
I no go lie, this song they make this guy out to Peter from out. What do they do for this song, sir? The chairman also get a waste time.
You go wait, now not be chairman.
If you be chairman, what would they for song? We'll bring the money, we'll go carry chop today. That one Najara.
Madam Landlord, Mrs. Landlady, don't be say I won't complain, no. The thing be say, we dey see pepper for your house, we dey see pepper. Madam Landlord, Mrs. Landlady, no mercy say I talk my mind, you. The thing be say.
It's a lie. Hey! 2 minutes!
Come on, come on there now. What's the name? Let's go back to 5. You don't go the way. No. Can you be this? Give me go. Anything when you get, make it out. No, go me. Give me number 1 time. That's my guy, moto. Why you carry this moto?
Don't say never, don't say lie. Anything can happen tomorrow. Man no be God, oh. Don't say never, don't say lie. Anything can happen tomorrow. We don't know who God go bless, oh. Don't say never, don't say lie. Don't say never, don't say lie. Don't say never.
Can you disappear? It didn't surprise me over.
No, you won't, man. You know disappear. No go reappear. I'm done.
Don't be even your disappearing surprise me pass. I have you managed one day for this position where you do so. You see the kind of way they drive?
Not be small thing.
You know that what time to be?
Forget it. Forget it. Yeah, I'm not gonna take cool. No, not eat. I'm not gonna eat. And they eat like hungry lions here. I'm gonna take a music. Later. I go tell una wetin happen. How una two take me to yourself again?
Oh, not go there. This one don't nearly die finish. Now I go jam am for where they pick drive a wheelbarrow. I pick am.
Una don suffer.
We don't suffer. You dey our body, look us well well. How are down in Bele?
You dey stupid. You no be my friend, I for reactivate you. When I reactivate you see your face, I swear you no go like am. When I change the position of this your face, now you go know say years dey pass. 2 years and 9 months. Now they ask about 2 man wey get belle. See.
No be that same Bele I dey ask.
Pikin wey don reach to give another person belle.
You are too fast to take you play football.
As things arrange for you, why you don't feel same for me now? Abi you don't forget how me and you dey.
Forget about the day. As I dey so, if I begin rearrange the weight they send for you, no go get money again. But I thank my God. My God will tell me say, make I no comot that belle wey that girl get for me. If you see my pikin, if you see my pikin, no be like this pikin dem wey dey run round gutter. When their nose dey comot, dey enter their mouth, dem go dey lick am. I say na ice cream. See dog, oyibo dog. See as oyibo dog dey dey. Once you see oyibo dog, you don see my pikin.
All those time wey dey eat shit.
Dey close. Oyibo dog dey lick shit.
You get dog wey don dey eat shit.
He say oyibo dog.
Oyibo dog wey dey lick shit.
Oyibo dog no dey eat shit.
Anyway, I go soon go back. When I go back, I will rest una too. I'll come with you. Huh? Fine. Maybe now.
No be this place where you dey go sir. Where you just a shape mouth. I really talk like big man wey dey arrive.
One person dey tell you say poverty na disease. She say the person dey lie. How many times when I go tell you say I dey state capital? State capital!
State capital na name of town.
From office now, governor of the state dey there dey wait for me. And you no go go anywhere until I come.
You sabi governor.
See, I beg you. Now money we never get. They not come out our brain. At least if you want life for us, make you also think of our age.
As you see me now, if you don't come come tell you say na story, as you see me say I get money, you no go believe am. Now you don see me. Okay now, when you saw me finish, you wan take money.
No be say I talk say you dey lie, but
you sabi governor.
That the kind lie wey we no be believe.
You sabi governor. But the thing be say if you get anything wey mo kware.
I do that. Na take whole conscience.
The thing dey fall apart.
I dey like to help poor people o. And one of my reasons why I take enter this year. Okay.
If we just believe, no be say.
One time when I wan call me, this number is 7. Anyone wey dey call me, I get am. If I no pick am, my boss go pick am. This money, when I take am pay. When you pay for wetin you chop, the remaining, na share am.
How much dey there? I say how much dey there?
Accountant. Short. Hold it first.
Ma use am pay for water.
Hold am. I don't say me pay for anything. Hold am.
No wait, we go pay for the food now. We go know wetin remain, we go share.
Hold am now. Hold this thing.
Na
you know am, na me know am.
No be two of us see the money. He say moku pay.
Una like more na fight. I don go una money.
Where this guy?
Mrs. Landlady, no vex say I talk my mind you. The thing be say wahala full for your house. Madam Landlord, Mrs. Landlady, no be say I won't complain no. The thing be say we dey see pepper for your house. We dey see pepper, Madam Landlord, Madam Mrs. Landlady. No vex say I talk my mind you. The thing be say wahala full for your house. Madam, this your house so fine. The wahala be say, now one toilet you get though. No matter how the latrine hook you, you must join the line, no. For the bathroom, not the same things. Madam, this your house is full of suppression, yes. Oppression, yes. Inflation, yes. Discrimination, yes. If to say we get money, we for don't back come out. Madam landlord, Mrs. Landlady, don't be say I won't complain, no. The thing be say, we dey see pepper for your house, we dey see pepper. Madam landlord, Madam, Mrs. Landlady, no vex say I talk my mind, you. The thing be say, wahala full for your house. If you no be this, na that, Madam landlord. If we no dey quarrel, we dey fight, Mrs. Landlady. Don't be say I won't come.
Madam landlady.
Hey, sorry for the court case. It was not intentional. In fact, I collected your property. I put them in a secure place because I have not seen you people in a long time. Even your wife, I have not set my eyes on her.
Madam landlady, no problem. You see all those properties, no problem at all. I don't overgrow that property. As you see me, sir, I'm a big man. It's not today. If you check the whole road the way there for this Nigeria, my motor, my buses, they run around them. You see those buses where they write EJ? Now my transport company. And that's true. Make I find you something. Make you take whole conscience. Hold this one. They can do transport where you they go. Bros.
Thank you very much.
Mention it.
Hey, God has blessed you.
He don't bless me. I mean, meant to bless God.
Thank you. Wonders will never end. Oh, a common bus driver.
Don't say never. Don't say lie. Anything can happen tomorrow. Man no be God, oh. Don't say never. Don't say lie. Anything can happen tomorrow. We don't know who God go bless, oh. Don't say never. Don't say lie. Don't say never. Don't say lie. Don't say never. Don't say lie. Anything can happen tomorrow. Man no be God, oh. Don't say never. Don't say lie. Anything can happen tomorrow. We don't know who God go bless, oh. Don't say never. Don't say lie. Don't say never. Don't say lie. Anything can happen tomorrow. Man no be God, oh. Don't say never. Don't say lie. Anything can happen tomorrow. We don't know who God go bless, oh. Don't say never. Don't say lie. Don't say never. Don't say lie. Don't say never. Don't say lie. Anything can happen tomorrow. Man no be God, oh. Don't say never. Don't say lie. Anything can happen tomorrow. We don't know who God go bless, oh.
He must accept. When you see money, don't talk about money too much. Why don't talk about money? No, see that money.
What is this man doing on my chair? Will you get out from there?
They ask him to cool, go down. Cool down and chop money. Only who got here with Moronia. A very big Moronia, I go money. Chairman conglomerate. See, he let man like this. They got massa owes them the jinko in a before I make good money. If you look at me, I'll go run down here when outside. Those people you see outside, they are my boys, my bodyguard.
Who are you if you come to my house? If you come to my house, I throw you out. They will just throw you out. But if I tell them to live with you, I will be a big man. So cool down. Now is how to settle your daughter. A register. I want my wife of big man Moronia. Inano. Okay, nano. Ejim chicken or fowl. Ejim goat. Ejim nama. Chicken, white, blue, black. Anyone eat or on a backyard. Ejim mebia. Ejim konyo walk enyem ejim kem. It's my own. Okay, Nano, cool down, get up on money.
Daddy, I'm very sorry. Please forgive me. He's truly a changed man. I'm sorry. Okay, if not for me, for your grandson, Daddy.
That is good. See, look, I tell you, from today on, I can take you as I can. Too much money, that is what I have. Oh, my in-law. Now go to 5. Now go 5. You're my in-law from Indonesia.